Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to find all your group membership activity on Facebook using your PC. If you've recently joined, left, or interacted with groups and want to track everything in one place, this new update makes it much easier. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, click on Settings and Privacy. A new menu will appear. Go ahead and select Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a detailed record of everything you do on the platform. Now that you're inside the activity log, look toward the left-hand side. You'll see different categories that help organize your activity. Click on your Facebook activity to expand more options. Next, find and click on Groups. This section is dedicated to everything related to your group activity. Once you click it, you'll see another option labeled Your Group Membership Activity. Go ahead and select that. Now you'll be able to view a complete list of your group-related actions. This includes groups you've joined, groups you've left, and any changes to your membership. It's a very useful way to keep track of your activity, especially if you're part of many communities. You can scroll through the list, filter results, or even remove certain activities if needed. This gives you more control over your Facebook history and privacy. And that's it. That's how you find all your group membership activity on Facebook using a PC with the latest update.